This is one of our new accessories, the vertical slicer, where you can make nice vertical cuts, right, Tom?
Oh, it's very accurate, very clean, smooth. Great for tabletops, little end tables.
Decorative, yeah, wedding venues. A lot of people, it's like a new thing, the nice things. Yeah, artwork, stain work. You can do that wood burning crafts. Yeah, they got tons of stuff you can do with epoxy. So all your artists and wood art people, you could sell them a bunch of these little vertical cuts done on the Hud-Son sawmill. Why don't we fire one off?
Sure.
Perfect. Look at that.
Just think of the possibilities.